Windows are a critical component of any home, providing natural light, ventilation, and views of the outside. They also play a key role in your home's energy efficiency, security, and aesthetic appeal. If you're considering replacing or installing new windows in your home in Little Rock, Arkansas, finding affordable, high-quality window installation services is essential. The right installation can save you money on energy bills, improve your home's curb appeal, and enhance its resale value. Here's a guide to help you find affordable window installation services in Little Rock without compromising on quality. Do your research and compare quotes. The first step to finding affordable window installation services is to do thorough research. Start by searching for local window installation companies in Little Rock and gathering information about their services. A quick online search can give you a list of potential companies, but you should also check reviews on websites like Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau, BBB, to assess their reputation. Look for companies that consistently receive positive reviews, especially those mentioning affordability and quality workmanship. Once you've narrowed down your list, request quotes from at least 3 or 4 companies. Most reputable window installation companies offer free estimates, either in person or online. Be sure to provide the same information to each company so that you're comparing apples to apples. While it may be tempting to go with the cheapest option, make sure to ask about the quality of the materials and the warranty offered on both the windows and the installation. The goal is to find a balance between cost and quality. Look for promotions and discounts. Many window installation companies offer seasonal promotions or discounts, which can help you save money. Little Rock experiences mild winters and hot summers, so companies may offer special deals during certain times of the year, especially during slower business periods like the winter months. Additionally, keep an eye out for manufacturers' rebates on windows. Some window brands offer discounts or rebates if you purchase a certain number of windows or if you choose energy-efficient models. It's always worth asking about current promotions when contacting window installation companies, as they may have limited-time offers or financing options that can make your project more affordable. Consider energy-efficient windows for long-term savings. While the upfront cost of energy-efficient windows may be slightly higher, these windows can save you money in the long run by reducing your heating and cooling bills. In a city like Little Rock, where summers can be hot and humid, energy-efficient windows help keep your home cool by reducing heat transfer from the sun. In the winter, they help to retain warmth, reducing the need for excessive heating. Look for windows with features like double or triple pane glass, low E coatings, and gas fills between panes to maximize energy efficiency. Installing energy-efficient windows may also make you eligible for tax credits or utility rebates, further lowering the overall cost of your window replacement project. Ask your window installer about energy-efficient options and whether any rebates or incentives are available. Ask about financing options. Many homeowners may not have the budget to pay for window installation upfront. Fortunately, many window installation companies offer financing options to make the project more affordable. When getting quotes, ask if the company offers payment plans or financing arrangements that can spread the cost of installation over several months or years. Some companies may even offer 0% financing for a limited period, allowing you to complete the project without paying interest. Before agreeing to a financing plan, carefully read the terms and conditions to ensure that you're comfortable with the repayment schedule and interest rates. Financing can be an excellent way to install high-quality windows now while spreading the cost over time. Check for licensing and insurance. One of the most important factors to consider when choosing an affordable window installation service is the company's licensing and insurance. While it may be tempting to go with a contractor offering unusually low prices, make sure they are properly licensed and insured to perform the work in Little Rock. A licensed installer has the necessary skills and knowledge to complete the job correctly, and insurance protects both you and the workers in case of accidents or damage during the installation. Choosing an unlicensed or uninsured contractor can lead to costly problems down the road if the installation is done poorly or if accidents occur on your property. Look for local companies with experience. Hiring a local window installation company in Little Rock often results in better service at a lower cost. Local companies are more familiar with the area's climate and building codes, which means they can recommend the best window materials and styles for your home. They also rely on local customers for their reputation, so they're more likely to offer competitive pricing and ensure quality work. Experience matters, too. Companies with years of experience are more likely to have established relationships with window manufacturers, allowing them to offer competitive pricing on products. Additionally, experienced installers are more efficient and precise in their work, which can prevent costly mistakes or the need for repairs down the road. Ask for references and view past projects before choosing a window installation service. Ask the company for references or examples of past projects. A reputable installer will be happy to provide this information and show you photos or case studies of similar jobs they've completed in Little Rock. Speaking with previous customers can give you valuable insights into the company's professionalism, workmanship, and pricing. If possible, visit homes in your area where the company has installed windows to see their work firsthand. This will give you a better sense of the quality you can expect and help you feel confident in your choice. Don't forget the warranty. Always ask about the warranty offered on both the windows and the installation service. A strong warranty can save you money if issues arise after the installation is complete. Look for companies that offer a warranty on both the product and the labor involved in installing the windows. A good warranty should cover defects in materials and workmanship for an extended period, providing peace of mind that your investment is protected. Be sure to ask about the terms and conditions of the warranty, including any limitations or exclusions. Finding affordable window installation services in Little Rock doesn't mean you have to compromise on quality. By doing your research, comparing quotes, looking for discounts, and choosing energy-efficient windows, you can save money while still getting high-quality installation. Make sure to hire a licensed and insured local contractor with experience and good references to ensure a smooth and successful window installation project. With careful planning and consideration, you'll be able to improve the comfort, energy efficiency, and appearance of your home while staying within your budget.